This is not very hard. I've been on Android for about 2 to 3 years, and I have let the internet know that I have iMessage on Android numerous times. I asked you guys recently whether you wanted me to make a video about how I did it or not, and the answer was a resounding yes. And so, this is that video. So before we actually get into how this works, you need to understand the prerequisites for the system as a whole. So all you're actually doing to get iMessage on here, or really any device, doesn't even have to be an Android phone. You can also use this to get iMessage access in another iPhone app, which I'll get to why in a second, that's important. But you need to have access to a macOS enabled device. This could be a virtual machine, it could be hardware. I am using my laptop, my MacBook Air, but really you just need to have the ability to disable system integrity protection. Sounds pretty scary, it's not. Apple just doesn't want you doing this. Disabling SIP can be practically its own project. The next thing you need is something running Android or something that has Play Store compatibility. So pretty much anything with Android 8 and up. Beeper is the only app that you actually need to get iMessage on a device. With exceptions, because of course there are exceptions. The next thing you need is Blue Bubbles or Open Bubbles, but this is not an Open Bubbles tutorial. This is a Blue Bubbles tutorial. Because I do not know how to use Open Bubbles. All right, now let's see how it works. So this is the Blue Bubbles application. So all you really need to do here is go to Settings, scroll down, and enable Private API. That's all you really need to enable. Keep macOS awake. I like to use the launch agent as well. That's what this stuff is too. Over here, these terminal windows. So this is a different software and will be very important. This here is Blue Bubbles. This is the launch agent. So if Blue Bubbles hangs or crashes, it'll just restart automatically. This is a bridge. I'll explain how to set this up in a second. If you can't tell, this was all filmed out of order. This connects Blue Bubbles to Beeper. So if I press Start BB Server, all of that blue and weird looking text is it's saying it's working. There will be some errors here and there, but that's just part of life. And as this kind Redditor mentioned, you cannot natively put iMessage inside of Beeper. Most of this video is how to connect the two, and this is the tool that enables it all. There are a bunch of instructions on how to actually use this inside of the GitHub repo, but pretty much you install Git, you just run a whole bunch of commands that are copy and pasted, and it should just work. If you do everything correctly, you should see something that looks like this. You'll see a little self-hosted badge underneath it too. That's about it. If you have any questions or comments or whatnot, leave them down below. I'll have links to all the stuff too in the description, so you should be good to go. Have a great day, like and subscribe.